All right, I have this USB drive that lets you reset the password for any Windows system. Just plug in the USB drive, boot your PC from it, select an account, and then easily reset the password. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a password reset USB drive from scratch using free official Microsoft tools. Get back into your PC and set a new password without losing any of your data. Use this method only on a PC you own or are authorized to access. Unauthorized access to someone else's computer is illegal. On your working PC, search for Windows ADK Download. Go to Microsoft's official page. Download the Windows ADK installer for Windows 11. On the same Microsoft page, download the Windows PE add-on for the Windows ADK. We also need NTPWEdit. The password editing tool will embed into the Rescue USB. Search for NTPWEdit Windows 11, and the download is available on the developers page or from trusted sources linked in the video description. Run the installer of Windows ADK. Click Next through the initial screens. When you reach the feature selection page, this is important. Deselect everything except deployment tools. All other components are unnecessary for our purpose and would add gigabytes of additional downloads. With only deployment tools checked, click Install. Accept the license. The installation takes a few minutes. Click Close when complete. Next, install the Windows PE add-on for the Windows ADK. Run this installer, click through the setup, and install with default settings. Click Close when done. Both components are now installed. Now we build the Windows PE Rescue image. Click the Start menu and search for Deployment and Imaging Tools environment. Select Run as Administrator, click Yes, and this opens a specialized command prompt with Windows PE tools loaded. Run the following commands in order. All commands are in the video description for copy-pasting. You don't need to type them manually. Create the WinPE working folder. Press Enter. This creates the complete Windows PE folder structure at c:\winpe_amd64, including a media folder and a mount folder. This takes about 1 minute. Mount the WinPE boot image. Press Enter. DISM mounts the WinPE image into the Mount folder, making the virtual Windows PE file system accessible so we can add our tool to it. This takes 1 to 2 minutes. Open File Explorer separately. Navigate to NTPWEdit and extract it. Navigate to where you extracted NTPWEdit. Select all the .exe files inside the NTPWEdit folder. Copy them. Navigate to c:\winpe_amd64 /mount/Windows and paste. Then navigate to System32 and paste again. We copy to both locations to ensure the tool is accessible from both paths when the rescue environment is running. Commit changes and unmount the image. Back in the Deployment Tools command prompt, press Enter. This saves the NTPWEdit files we added into the WinPE boot image and unmounts it cleanly. The word commit is critical here. Without it, changes are discarded. This step takes 1 to 3 minutes. Create the bootable ISO file. Press Enter. This compiles the complete Windows PE environment with NTPWEdit embedded into a single bootable ISO file saved at c:\winpe_amd64 /winpe_amd64.iso. Takes about 1 to 2 minutes. When the command completes, your Rescue ISO is ready. Plug in your USB drive. Open Rufus. Download from rufus.ie if you don't have it. Under Device, confirm your USB drive is selected. Double-check the drive letter, everything on this drive will be erased. Under Boot Selection, click Select and navigate to C, select it, and click Open. Rufus will auto-configure the partition scheme and file system. Leave these at their default detected. They should be set correctly for the WinPE ISO. Give the volume a label if you want, something like Password Reset for easy identification later. Click Start. Rufus will warn that all data on the USB drive will be erased. Click OK to confirm. The writing process takes 1 to 3 minutes. When the status bar shows Ready in green, your Password Reset USB is complete. Now it's time to test our USB flash drive. Take the USB drive to the locked PC. Plug it in. Power on or restart the PC. Access the boot menu by pressing the appropriate key as the PC starts. F12 on Dell, F11 on HP, F9 on Asus, Escape on some HP models. The key is usually shown briefly at the bottom of the screen during startup. In the boot menu, select your USB drive and press Enter. Some PCs may block the custom WinPE boot due to Secure Boot. If the USB doesn't boot, enter BIOS and temporarily disable Secure Boot. Re-enable it after you've reset the password and rebooted from the hard drive. The PC will boot from the USB. A command prompt window will appear automatically. This is the Windows PE environment running from your USB drive. In the Windows PE command prompt, type NTPWEdit64.exe. Press Enter. The NTPWEdit64 application opens, a simple graphical interface showing the Windows user account database on your PC. Click Open. NTPWEdit will automatically locate and load the SAM database, the file containing Windows user account information, from your PC's drive. Once loaded, you'll see a list of all local user accounts on the PC. Click on the account whose password you want to reset, typically your own username. You now have two options: Change Password. Click this button, type a new password in both fields, and click OK. You'll log into Windows with this new password. Unlock Account. If the account is locked rather than protected by a forgotten password, this unlocks it without changing the password. After making your change, click Save Changes to write the modification to the SAM database. Click Close to exit NTPWEdit. Close the command prompt. The PC will restart. The Windows 11 login screen appears. Enter the new password you just set, or leave it blank if you cleared it. Press Enter. You're in. Your Windows account is accessible again with all files, settings, and applications intact. Nothing on the drive was modified except the account password. Once you've successfully reset the password, don't erase the USB. Label it clearly, Windows Password Reset, and store it somewhere secure and accessible. This USB drive works on any Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. If you ever face this situation again or need to help a family member or colleague who's locked out, you have a ready-made solution. The entire tool you built today is reusable indefinitely. All commands and download links are in the video description. Copy-paste them directly to avoid typos. Drop a comment if you hit any issues at a specific step, and I'll help you troubleshoot. A like and subscribe helps the channel, and I post practical Windows guides every day. Thanks for watching.